Welcome to Product Critique, where we help you make the best choices for your pets. Today, we're reviewing the Perimeter Technologies Invisible Fence R21 Replacement Collar. A top-rated solution for anyone looking for the best invisible fence replacement collars on the market. Invisible fences are a great way to keep your dog safe and secure, but over time, the collars can wear out or get damaged. That's where the Perimeter Technologies R21 Replacement Collar comes in. This collar is designed specifically for use with invisible fence brand systems, including older models like the ICT 700, ICT 725, and ICT 150, just to name a few. It's important to note that it won't work with the latest Invisible Fence 800 series systems, so be sure to check the compatibility with your system before purchasing. What sets this collar apart is its lightweight design and durability. Weighing in at just 1.1 ounces, it's one of the lightest electric dog fence collars available, ensuring your dog won't even notice it while wearing it. It's built with high-quality polycarbonate plastic, making it resistant to damage from dog chewing, ensuring longevity and reliability. Plus, it's fully waterproof and submersible up to 10 feet deep, making it perfect for all kinds of outdoor activities. The collar comes with a full set of features, including multiple sets of contact points for different dog sizes and comfort covers to make sure your dog remains comfortable throughout its use. Also, the collar includes a lithium battery, which will keep your system powered for a long time before needing replacement. For those of you looking for a solution that's easy to install and offers reliable performance, this collar offers just that. The frequency options, 7 kHz and 10 kHz, ensure it works well with most invisible fence systems, and it's designed to provide a cost-effective alternative to the original invisible fence collars. Whether you're replacing an old collar or adding a new one to your existing system, this collar works seamlessly to provide a secure boundary for your dog. This collar is proudly made in the USA, which adds an extra layer of trustworthiness, knowing that it's manufactured with high standards in mind. So, if you're looking for the best invisible fence replacement collar for your dog, the Perimeter Technologies Invisible Fence R21 is an excellent choice. If you're ready to upgrade or replace your existing collar, click the link in the description below to get more details and make your purchase today. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of pet products.